everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so how are you doing and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that will take off all of those age related problems of your face. And if you are 40, this remedy is gonna make you look half your age. If you're 30, it's gonna make you look half your age. Like you should just, however you look right now, try this remedy. It's going to make you look half your age. Okay guys, so I'm so super duper excited, and let me take you right into the video. Okay, so you could see all of this ingredients, and you could also like the video, subscribe. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, to take away some years off your age, not like you're gonna be taking that years off your age, you're basically gonna be looking younger with this home remedy. And the first ingredient among my ingredients is cucumber. Yeah, and you're gonna be cutting your cucumber in it. So you're gonna be cutting it in cubes. And then you blend. So this is it, and I'm gonna be straining it out. So this is the cucumber juice, and we're gonna be needing vitamin E capsule, or you'll be needing vitamin E oil, anyone you can lay your hands on. So we're going to be putting in some drops of this vitamin E. Okay, enough to go around. And for the vitamin E, it's going to help to increase your elasticity on your skin, therefore making you look younger than your real age. Okay, and now petroleum jelly. I know some people do not actually like using petroleum jelly, but if you react to petroleum jelly, you can actually replace it with coconut oil. Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting in a little of this petroleum jelly, and then I would have to be using a double boiler method to dissolve that later. Okay, now to make this ingredient work really fine, you're going to be needing honey. Now, combination of other these things are what is going to make this ingredient work really strong. Okay, so honey is a natural moisturizing agent that helps to keep your skin moisturized, young, glowing and beautiful, and you're gonna be looking younger than your real age, that's for sure. So you're gonna be putting in 1 tablespoon of honey, and then you gently mix it. It's gonna get dissolved while you gently mix this in gently, and before you know it, it is dissolved in. Okay, that's perfect. And then also we're going to be needing some orange. Okay, now you can also use lemon if you lay your hands on lemon, but orange is actually very mild. Like, rubbing orange alone on your skin is going to make your skin look superb, amazing, young and glowing. Yeah, so we're gonna be cutting a little of this orange. Now this orange contains a lot of vitamins, vitamin C, which is actually very important for the skin, and it contains vitamin E, which also helps to increase the elasticity of your skin. Okay, so let's go forward to the last ingredient, which is this. We're gonna be making use of tomato. Now, tomato is a great skin smoothener. It helps to tighten up the skin, leaving your skin really young, beautiful, healthy. So tomato helps so much to remove unwanted hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna clean this. Okay, gonna be turning in the tomato into all of this goodness, and then we are going to stir it. And this is our baby face ingredient. This actually would help us glow really well, and it will make your skin look younger than your real age. Yeah, so let's go apply this. Yeah, okay guys, so this is it. And now before you apply this, you have to wet your face with water. Okay, you must wet your face with water. Oh, my lashes is going out. Okay, so you wet your face with water first of all. Now this is actually going to help to soften your skin, yeah, so that when you apply this, it's going to get right into your skin and it's gonna be amazing. Yeah, so after that, you can either use cotton wool or you just apply this onto your skin directly. This is the balm. It's going to make you look half your age. Okay, so after which you apply any treatment on your face, you must have to give your face a massage. Yeah, for this particular ingredient, the oil in it is actually going to help you massage your skin really good, and it's going to help to rejuvenate and make your skin really tight. Okay, that's why you have to massage. You massage your problem area really good. Okay, now after which you massage you would have to apply this treatment again, okay, so that it can stay on your skin for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna be waiting right now, and after 3 minutes I'm gonna go wash my face. Don't mind my fallen eyelashes. The person that fixed it for me does not know how to fix. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my face, and you can see how my skin is like right now. I'm so loving this. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so that's it. It's so cooling on my skin, like it's literally just, you know, calm my skin, okay, and it also helps to, you know, remove all of those clogged pores, making my skin breathe well, because when your skin, if your skin can breathe, that means you have a flawless and beautiful skin. Okay guys, so I will see you again in my next video. If you do love this one, do not forget to give it a like, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon. Bye.